Friends, have you ever opened Cisco Packet Tracer or Microsoft Visio and immediately you can draw the router and switches onto the screen? If yes, then you are making the biggest mistake in the network design. Professionals, network engineers never start by drawing a device that start by understanding the business requirement. In the video, I will show you the exact process used by the enterprise network engineers before a single cable is connected. By the end of this video, you will know how to plan a network from scratch like a professional. So, hi everyone, welcome back to Explore IT Issues Solution for All. If you are preparing for CCNA, CCNP interviews, or you want to become a network design engineer, this is series for you. So today we are starting episode 1 of our complete network design series. So how to design a network from scratch step by step for beginner. Okay, so in this series we learn about the design of the network with the basics, what is the network design, why planning is the important, gather business requirement, identify users, applications, what they are using, internet requirements, security requirements, feature expansion, and final requirement document. Okay, so the what is the network design? So in the perspective of the network design, a network design is a simply a blueprint of the how a device will communicate, just like an architect design a building before construction begins. A network engineer design the network before pursuing any requirement. So, so the real example for this, suppose that nobody start the building or a house without a plan. The same applies to enterprise network. The biggest mistake of beginner makes just take a one internet line, connect it the router, after that connect it the switches and connect the PCs. So can anyone tell me if the network is correct? Of course no, because we don't know how many users, which departments, internet speeds, servers, Wi-Fi and feature expansion. Without requirement, any design is just a guess. So our real company scenario, suppose that we have a AVC Technologies Private Limited, we have a employee 120 employee, floors 3 departments, HR, finance, IT, sales, support, receptions and conference rooms, guest Wi-Fi, server room, CCTV and printers. This is a real company scenario which we need to design. So the department, suppose that we have a HR department, we have a HR peoples, they are using the different application, and finance they are using a related to finance application, IT they are taking a support and servers like network design, something else under in the IT support, sales. So according to this we need to gather the requirement first. So requirement gathering is a company name, suppose that our AVC Technology, employee 120, floors 3, department 6, internet users is 120, guest users 50, CCTV cameras 24, printers 8 and Wi-Fi access point 12 and servers 6 and internet dual HP, because we need a redundancy, so we are using dual HP and VPN user 20. So internet requirement, we will ISP enough? No, because we need to redundancy, so we need to require a dual ISP. Security requirement, we need to gather what kind of security we need to implement it in our network. So suppose that we are using a firewall, VPNs, guest Wi-Fi, employee Wi-Fi, and internet filtering. So today we have a 120 users. After 3 years, maybe its expansion is 200 users. So can our design support that? S- Of course, we need to getting the requirement of the diagram. So our requirements, the diagram is company, department, employees, application, servers, internet, and security. Okay. So the notice we are still not drawing a networking device. Okay. So we are organizing the information first. So so which kind of application they are using? So first we need to identify the application. Suppose that they are using a email, ERP, internet, file servers, printers, CCTV, iPhones, VPN, and Active Directory. So these type of application they are using in the company. So according to this we can design the network. Then the bandwidth planning. So in our company, as we are taking 120 user, so suppose that average usage is 5 MB, so we need to multiply with the 120 Mbps into 5, so its total bandwidth is using and consuming is 600 Mbps. Okay, so we need to choose 1 Gbps internet. And the final requirement documents is, so we need to create some checklist like a company size, departments, users, applications, servers, internet security, and feature growth. Of course we need to gather the feature growth as well. Suppose that now is the company using is a 120 users, its expansion is definitely is expansion, so we need to gather the information about the 200 users for now. So now we the finally understood what needs to be built. In the next episode we will convert these requirements into a professional logical network diagram. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to Explore IT Issues. In this episode 2 we will transform the today requirement into the clean professional logical topology that you can use in the real world projects. So if you are following the full series, let me know in the comments what type of network you would like to design next: office, school, hospitals, or data center. Thank you for watching our video. I will see you in the next episode. Till then, bye.